What's up? It's your boy Cookie on Gang. Y'all already know. God, that was cringy and out of character. I don't know how YouTubers do it with this whole energy. It already took me like 80% of my energy just to do that. But anyway, welcome back to the channel. My name is Cookie, and today you're watching another Cookie Coolie video. We're gonna do a summoning session for Ushiwakamaru altar. In this case, her name is Taira-no-Kagekiyo. I'd rather just call her Ushiwaka altar. That'll be easier. So yeah, there's no 4-star particular that is in rate up, but I do plan on getting the CE as well for the event. Right now, my main goal is to get Ushiwaka altar at MP2, at the very least. And we only have 200 quartz right now. I did roll twice before this, but I only ended up getting nothing. So let's go ahead and do test our luck with this, and we'll see how it goes from here. We'll do a multi. Oh yeah, so I plan on basically clicking once. Whoa, we already have 4-star. So my main goal is that if I do a multi, I might as well click once, just so that it skips every 3 stars and just leaves out the 4 stars and above. That way I don't have to wait on everything. Okay, we got the craft essence. But see, as you can see, nothing but 4 stars and above that's showing up. Ah, shit, that sucks. Oh wait, it also skips the limited craft essence, I see. Alright, it's fine. But yeah, just to save time, I'm just going to do a click once again, and we'll see from there. Wow, okay, that's nice. Another one, please. Oh, wait, who are we looking for? Oh, wait. Ah, okay, golden star. My bad, I thought I clicked this to shit. Alright, who's this? No! Wait, how many? Speaking of Nidorchris, the JP version has a new version of her. The altar one. She looks pretty sick. But in our case, we have to wait 2 more years, which is kind of a bummer, but at least along the way, we'll get some nice servants. Craft essence. Cool. Oh, okay. Okay, no craft essence. Would it be? Great. I'm gonna end up getting so many 4 stars at this point. Overall, not a bad pull, I suppose. We do get Nidorchris along the way, so I believe I've already maxed NP Nidorchris, so not much to go about with this one. My bad. I need to click this once so I can skip every 3 stars. Okay, we have the 5-star. Nice. You love to see it. Give me. Okay, we already have that one. Please give me a golden ring. If it's an Avenger, don't give me. Okay, we have the freaking. Who would it be? Who would it be? Jesus. Okay, we have Emiya's Papa, the assassin one. Okay, we got the Golden Millennium. We still have 110, it's fine. And just skip that real quick. Wow, that was a weird ass ring animation. Fuck. Okay, please give me a servant. Nope. Okay, that works. We have 3 copies. I actually did not even check what the effects of that craft essence is, but hopefully it falls in line with what Ushiwakamaru altar can do. To be fair, I haven't checked much of what she can do as well. 10, okay, and okay, that's okay. I see you. It's good. Great. Once again, we click once, just so that we don't skip the 4 stars at the very least. With 1 strike, I shall receive. Nope. Okay. Okay, we have a servant. Avenger. Okay, nice. Do not spook me. Ah, yes, sir. Nice. Okay. Ushiwakamaru. Oh, she was the last one, or was it? Oh.
Taira-no-Kagekiyo, Sui-san.
Damn.
Tell
Tell you what. Damn. Alright, she's trying to get down to business. Nice. I love the kitsune mask. Or half kitsune mask. Okay. We're doing pretty good. Now one more NP, please. Or we can get the maximum craft essence. That works too. Cleaner. Okay. 2 craft essence. Could be better. Alright. Oh Jesus. Okay. Oh, that was quick. You fucking. All right, Bradamante, give me that. Oh. Okay, that works. I do like Karna. Damn. Fuck me, man. It's okay. It was just the first multi. The moment I saw that, I'm like, Jesus Christ, give me at least Bradamante. But Karna is pretty good too. Alright. Next, once I'm done with all of this crap, I'm gonna start playing some Fire Emblem Engage. But I do need to level up some of my craft essence as well. But yeah. Once again, we click once. Oh, we have the 5th star. Okay, we have all the max limit break. Okay. Damn. Not gonna lie, that was a fantastic roll for the craft essence. But Jesus, freaking. Okay, if you're giving me a 4-star, don't give me something correct. Let me guess, Elizabeth. There you go. Okay. Look, I'm not even gonna be mad. It's something to be expected. Let's go ahead and do another one. We still have 3 more multis left. But that roll itself, the multi, gave me 2 5-star craft essence for the event. So I'm not even mad. Oh shit, don't tell me it's a 3-star. If it is, I'm gonna... Oh! Okay, who's this? Ah, shit. Ah, you fucking kidding me, Carmilla. Okay, for 2 more multi. Ah, Jesus fucking Christ, man. Like, the amount of 4-star event craft essence you get from all of this is pretty insane. Okay, that's even more insane. It's kind of rare for me to get 5 stars. God damn it. Why can't my luck be like this for the actual servant? Oh, okay, oh shit, give me Avenger, please. You freaking, don't give me... Jesus. Okay. Now, I'm not even sure if this assassin is max in my case, but... shit. Damn, how many times do I have to max limit breed this? Okay, this is getting ridiculous. Alright. Wow, only those? Okay, let's go. Oh, did I even skip? Okay. Awaken Will. Not the card I needed though. Yeah, Jesus freaking. Okay, who? Wait. Woo. Okay. So many 4 stars. Oh, Jesus Christ, speaking of 4 stars. Yeah. Oh my goodness, okay. Whoa, with that 3 Alexander in this? God damn. Jesus Christ, these freaking lag. What? Oh, that was the servant. Okay. Ah, gee. Okay. Ugh. Who is it? Oh, stop lagging, please. Nah. I don't want you. Whoa. Jesus, phone, stop lagging. Oh, I'm going to regret this shit, am I? Oh, okay. Avenger. Okay, please do not spook me. Yes, okay. Oh my god, that was good. Yes, Avenger. My favorite Pokemon. Oh, okay. Divine Banquet. Thank you. Good. Now I'm going to save the rest of these quartz for other servants in the future. So, oh, we did it. Jesus fucking Christ. Okay. Oh, right. I forgot I had Karna as well. Might as well do it in his case. Yes, sir. NP4. Let's go. Yes, sir. Wow, look at this majestic being. Whoops, my bad. Now for the real Cookie. Let's go ahead and go increase her noble fanism. Damn, she already looks good at stage 1. Right? So I can't imagine an outfit that's probably better than this, but aside from the one that's already shown on that banner. Who am I? I already have like a couple. Oh yeah, so we have the assassin. Yeah, okay. I believe the assassin is the only one that needs to be increased in terms of noble fanism. Oh, looks like I'm gonna get demonetized from that image alone. Not that my channel was monetized recently. Like, the thing with this channel is that it used to be monetized, so like I did earn revenue from making videos in YouTube. But YouTube being YouTube, they just decide to freaking fucking cancel my monetization, right? So like I'm not legible to do that anymore. So which is, you know, it sucks in my case. I'm sure a lot of people are affected by that as well, especially the smaller YouTubers. Which, you know, it sucks, but at least in my case, I do have an actual job, right? I don't rely on YouTube to get paid or getting revenue. But anyway, I'm kind of staying off topic right here, but we did get the character in the end, which is great. I'm going to level her up, give all the resources I can give her, and proceed with the event. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit the like and subscribe if you guys want to see more. Till then, I'll see you guys in the next one.